Hey boos, it's Jocelyn, aka Grandbaby Cakes, and we are back in the holiday spirit in the kitchen, y'all. And we are going to make what is, of course, essential for the holiday season. You gotta have homemade eggnog. I mean, who are you playing with? What type of holiday season you having if you ain't got no eggnog, right? I mean, right? So we're making it today. It's super easy. It is a family favorite. I know all of y'all are gonna love this recipe because it comes together so easily, so effortlessly, and it just tastes like a warm hug, right? You're gonna wanna drink a mug of this right by the fireplace with one of my gingerbread cookies, and you wanna get your holiday on, all right? Shoulder roll. Let's get started. So to get started, we've got a whole bunch of eggs. We are making eggnog, obviously, but we are going to need the egg yolks for this first part. So I'm going to start by separating all these eggs. And I just like to go back and forth to separate out the egg white, and then we just leave our egg yolk right there. And so we want to just make sure that these are as clean as possible, and we just let that egg white fall on down, fall on down, fall on down, fall on down. Boop. Fall on down, egg white, fall on down. Yeah. Oh, hi little slippery suckers. All right, another egg yolk there. And you can do this pretty quickly. They also have like some egg white separators on the market now. Those are pretty awesome. If you don't feel like doing all this, you can easily do that. And finally, our last one here. Get a nice separation here. And there you go. So now I'm going to whisk in the sugar. I'm gonna add this right into the egg yolk mixture here. And also, let me give y'all a little secret, right? My mama likes to take this eggnog and make ice cream. So we're just gonna whisk this until everything comes together and it's a nice buttery yellow. That's good to go. So now we're gonna head over to the stove to get our milk and our heavy cream up to temperature. So now I've got my hot milk and cream mixture here, but I do not want to add all of this to our egg mixture just yet because we don't want scrambled eggnog, do we guys? We don't. So we want to make sure that we temper this. So I'm just going to add just a little bit here, and before I start adding in the rest of it. So even just like a tablespoon is like enough to get it started, and then just continuously mix that in. So you can just start to be like introducing those eggs to that heat. You know what I mean? It's like, hey boo, you know, hi, how you doing? You know, before they start courting, you know what I mean? So just a little like, hey, how you doing? Introduction. And then once you feel like the eggs are like a little used to that hot temperature, then you can start adding in the rest. And you want to make sure that you're continuously whisking this in. So, you know, once again, don't nobody want no scrambled eggnog. So let's get the rest in here, y'all. Ah, lovely. Now we're gonna stir in a little bourbon, or maybe this is a lot. If you wanna make sure this is fine for the kiddies, of course don't add this, y'all, but you know, mama needs a little bit, so I'm gonna just add a little bit in. You know, and like I said, you can sort of taste along and see how much you wanna add here. No, who am I kidding? I might Might just add all of this. What are we saying? And then I've got some vanilla extract. Gonna add that in as well. And this is like a simple classic eggnog. You can definitely add more spices in if you like. This is also some cinnamon. Gonna add that. And then I'm gonna keep this off to the side for a second. And then I'm going to take those egg whites that we had earlier, and I'm gonna actually whisk those up, get those to stiff peaks, and add that to the top of our eggnog. It's delicious, y'all. So I've got a little sugar here. I'm just gonna add this directly to our egg whites and then do a quick whip of these babies. Do a quick check and see if these are as stiff as I like, and I think they're perfect. Oh, delicious. Oh my goodness. I may be drinking a lot here, but you know, it's the holiday seasons. You gotta be merry. So this drink is definitely giving that. So I've got quite a bit here. I'm gonna add some of our egg whites right to the top. It's a big old scoop. There we go. Ooh. And then I'm gonna sprinkle on a little bit of cinnamon. And then I'll just add a little cinnamon stick here for garnish. So now it's time to taste our little creation, our little holiday hug, if you will. Let's see. Y'all. Ooh-wee. Ooh, yes, y'all. This is just fantastic. Like all the warm flavors, that eggy, custardy deliciousness. It almost tastes like a warm holiday milkshake. It's just absolutely delicious. It fills you with so much warmth and like I said, it really does taste like a hug. And I love the extra egg white whipped on top with a sprinkle of cinnamon. It just brings all of the flavors together. You've definitely got to try this recipe. Make it during the holidays. Heck, make it all winter long, okay? Because we know that we need as much eggnog as we can get. It starts running out of the stores. You know where to head to. You can make this right at the crib and enjoy it with all of your family. If you love this recipe, definitely leave me a comment. Make sure you check out the recipe on grandbabycakes.com. And don't forget to subscribe so you can check out this recipe and so many more. Happy holidays, y'all. I'll see you next time.